Can you create a YouTube channel from scratch with your cell phone? I get this question a lot from people, and the answer is yes. Now, to create a YouTube channel, you don't need to break the bank. You don't need an expensive laptop. You don't even need to pay anyone. All you basically need is your mobile phone. As long as your mobile phone can browse, you are good to go. And in this video, guys, I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to take if you want to create a YouTube channel from scratch using your mobile phone. Guys, if this is the first time of checking out this channel, you are welcome. My name is Ruby. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that already, and also don't forget to give this video a big like because it counts for us. Now that you know you can create a YouTube channel from scratch with your cell phone, what are you waiting for? Grab yourself a cell phone and let's do this. To create a YouTube channel, you need to have a Gmail account. I'll go to my browser here. Then I'm going to type gmail.com. And then I'm going to allow the page load. So because I already have some Gmail accounts, it's going to bring out this. So just click on use another account. And here you're going to select create account, and you're going to select for myself. So it's going to bring out a form for you to fill. So you're going to have to fill your name, your last name, your username, the password you would like to use for your account. So I'm just going to use a random name. I'm going to use Lucy for my first name and then Gracia for my last name. Then for my username, I'm going to type Lucy Gracia and maybe just add 20 to it. So Lucy Gracia 20. So I'm going to come here and type in my password. Just make sure you type in a password you can remember anytime you would like to use your account. Then you come down here and confirm your password. It should be the same with the initial password you typed. Then I'm going to click on next. So this username has been taken by someone else already, and this ones were suggested, so I'm going to use Lucy Gracia 325. Then I'll need to provide my password again. And then I'll come down here and confirm the password. Once that is done, you click on next. So here you're required to provide your phone number. So I'm going to type in my phone number in this column and I'll click on next. A verification code will be sent to the phone number you provided. Kindly type a verification code in this column here, then click on verify and then allow them to verify it. So it brings me to this page. Here I'm going to fill in my month of birth. April 16th, 1992. Then you choose a gender. I'm going to choose female. Then I'll click on next. Then read through this page very well and click yes, I'm in. So here, make sure you read through the privacy and terms, and once you're done with that, you click on I agree. So I have a new Gmail account. It is that simple. So I'm going to click here, which will bring me to a page where I'll see a welcome note from Google. I'm going to click on this YouTube icon app. So it is going to open up a page like this. So you go over to this icon and click on it. So this is my previous account. So I'm going to click on this drop down here. I have channels already, so I'm going to click on this plus icon right here. So here you're going to type in the email you just created. In this case, I'm going to type in Lucy Gracia 325. Then I'll click on next. Wait for it to load. They will request for a password. Then go ahead and type in your password. Then you're going to see a page just make sure you read through the Google Terms of Service and click on I agree. So here guys, we have our new channel. So I'm going to click on this little icon here with letter L, and then it will bring me to this page. Then I'll click on your channel. You can change your name right here, or you can just go ahead and create your account with the name you have already. In this case, I'm going to leave it like this. Then I'll click on create channel. So you have a new channel right here. You are free at this point to start uploading videos to YouTube. So I'm going to click on settings here. If you have a channel description, you go ahead and fill in your channel description right here. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the description for this channel. This is a beauty channel. And then I'll click OK. So to set the picture, you go back right here. To upload a picture, you're going to click on manage your Google account. So once you get here, click on personal info, and then it's going to bring out options. I want to upload a picture, so I'm going to click here. Then I'll click on set profile photo. So it's either you take a photo or you choose a photo from your gallery. So I'm going to choose one photo from my gallery. So it's going to bring out lots of pictures from your gallery. Go ahead and choose the one you'd like to use as your YouTube profile photo. So I'm going to use this one right here. I will adjust the photo and then I'll click on accept. Allow it to load for a while. If the photo doesn't show immediately, you might need to log out and log in again, and you're going to see your photo. So at this point, if you have a video you'd like to upload, you can just click right here on this button, create a video, and your video will start uploading. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it counts for the channel, and also feel free to subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. Until next time guys, stay safe and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.